Today we're gonna open a toy.
Oh, where'd you get the toy from? Hi, subscribers!
Oh, mommy to the rescue!
Today we're gonna open a toy.
Oh, where'd you get the toy from?
From Rolimate.com.
Rolimate sent us a toy.
And you can open it. Open it.
Thank you, Rolimate, for this.
Thank you, Rolimate, for this.
We're gonna open it and find out what's inside it. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
Let's get opening. Help me. I'll look at it. Look at us. Open. Open. Open.
Wow, that's the fishing one.
I love it. There's two. One for me and one for you.
You follow the instruction on how to play it, okay? Where's the instruction?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much, Rolimate. What can you say again, sweetheart?
Thank you, Rolimate, for sending this.
What can you say, Serenity?
Thank you. Let's get playing.
It comes with a very nice box, sweetheart. It's memory chest.
That's mine. You have yours. That's a stick. Oh, there's also chopsticks.
It also comes with different patterns. So they're
I
trying.
always go get it wrong.
It's fine. That needs more practice. So Dharma is trying to put the little balls to the color.
Aww. I can't use the spoon.
It's your first time, sweetheart, so you can master it later. There you go, baby girl. Good job. And after that, we'll use these different patterns here. This one. It comes with 4 pieces of it. So it says here, sweetie.
I cannot use the spoon.
It says here, exercise children's concentration, color recognition and classification, and hand-eye coordination. Practice chopsticks, practice spoon. So you don't have to be frustrated because you're gonna master it later. I like the colors though. It comes with a gel cup paper.
I got
Gel
the
cups.
fish.
You caught a fish!
I got a purple fish. I got the I got. Thank you for the toy, Rolimate. I got the purple bit.
Fish.
Fish. Say it again. Fish.
Oh, look at them, Daddy. They're enjoying the colors. Serenity is trying to put orange. Where's the orange spot? So uh-oh, you want to use a different pattern?
No, I eat the bed.
Are you gonna catch some fish there?
Yeah, I got one out.
Yummy fish. What about Ate? Can you catch some fish, Ate? What's the color, Serenity? What's the color of the fish?
Pink.
Green. Very good. Ate, you wanna catch one more? What's the color, Ate?
Purple.
Purple. Very good.
And look at its face.
Nice. These are made out of wood, so these are very durable.
And also the toaster one is wood, subscribers.
Mhm.
And it's gonna,
Are you waiting for the toaster toy?
yeah, I love it.
Wow.
I'm gonna eat toast.
Pretend toast. I really like this one. This is jelly. Nice.
Gonna love the Rolimate.com toys. Please buy Rolimate. Please buy Rolimate toys.
So what are you doing after you play, Dharma?
We were picking up and you pick up like this.
You put it back in the box?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. So clean. So how do you play it, Dharma?
You just take this and you just put it here. And you take this part and it goes here.
All right.
And you're gonna need some like the wood marbles here. And let's start. Before we start, my sister is gonna help me, right?
So you will put all the colors in the jelly cup? Okay.
Yeah.
Put the little marbles in the jelly cup, Serenity.
Okay.
So what do we have here?
We have a fishing rod, chopsticks, and a spoon, and tongs.
All right.
And we have jelly cups and wood marbles and
Wow.
those
All
and
right.
these things, and we're gonna build a flower.
Go ahead.
Okay.
So do we have a contest here?
Yeah.
Yeah, these are made out of wood, so it's very durable and it's non-toxic. Non-toxic means non-toxic means it's not gonna be harmful for you, for your health.
What happens if it's
Toxic. Yeah, it's not good for your health. Yeah, so this is Rolimate did a good job. They made it non-toxic because they know kids like you will play. Okay, you put the oranges. Yay! Okay, you do that again.
So,
Well, Ati's gonna make a flower.
I want to make flower too. You
Look.
can help make Auntie flower. I don't want to use it with those. You can add a yellow. No, I'm not using it with those.
Concentrate, so it's gonna be. There you are. What about you, baby girl? Put the orange flower.
Okay, yeah.
Where's the orange?
I want to make a flower.
This
I
one.
want mine to be purple. Sister, you can't make a flower next to my flower. I make mine purple.
Get the orange one, I got it.
Orange flower. This one pink. I'm not pink.
Can you show our subscribers how to fish using the magnet one?
I'm not.
Oh, here's. No, Serenity is fishing now. What color is that, Serenity?
I got purple.
Purple. Very good. You're gonna eat it?
Well, I'm doing my flower and you're doing your fishing. Yeah.
Okay, can you fish me an orange fish, please?
Okay.
Fish for me.
Oops, it's tied up.
There you go.
Yay.
Thank you so much. This is so cute. Look. Oh, look at that. Can I like it? I like it so colorful.
Rolimate for the toys. We love it. Gonna love the Rolimate.com toys. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe.